question asks us to use hybrid orbitals to draw the orbital picture for this molecule. This molecule, as drawn, is tetrahedral in geometry, so we'll need to account for that. Carbon is our central atom. Carbon is sp3 hybridized. That means it has 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals pointed towards the corners of a tetrahedron. 2 of them are in the plane, 1 of them is coming towards you as the viewer, and 1 of them is going away from you as the viewer. One of those sp3 orbitals is involved in a bond with hydrogen, a sigma bond with hydrogen. Hydrogen is using its 1s orbital. It is unhybridized. The carbon, the wedge bond, is also a bond to hydrogen, as is the dash bond. These dashed bonds are going away from you as the viewer. The wedge bonds are coming towards you as the viewer. The last in the plane bond is a bond to fluorine. Fluorine is also sp3 hybridized. Fluorine also has 3 more lone pairs. 1 of them will be in the plane. 1 of them will be coming towards you as the viewer, and the other one will be going away from you as the viewer. This would be the hybrid orbital picture for fluoromethane.